Hey, I'm excited to share our new Summarize IPs tools that we've just launched on IPinfo. It allows you to paste in a bunch of different IP addresses and see a quick high-level overview with all the different context we have around them. A couple of sample reports here that you can click to view. Here's one with some Amazon IPs. You summarize ASNs, country, usage types, privacy detection, and some other details around here. If you want to summarize more IPs, you can paste any IP address into here. We also clean that up. So here's an example. I just Googled public proxy servers, a bunch of different IP addresses on this page. If you just copy, paste all the text from this page in here, there's all sorts of stuff. We'll automatically extract out the different IP addresses and give you the context around them. So you see the number of unique IPs we found, Anycast, Bogons, and the different data fields. We also support pasting details from the command line. We've got a quick example here. Just drop down to my terminal. You can see I've got an access log here, and we can just pass them in with curl to the server. We'll return a URL, and you click, and that will give you the report with the details of what you're seeing in your access logs there. So it's just a quick, easy way. If you've got a bunch of IP addresses, whether you've seen an attack, you're doing some investigation, you're trying to debug something, just pass us all your IPs, and we'll show you all the different contexts we have around them, and that will hopefully help with you figuring out what's going on, or be an interesting overview for you either way.